All right, we're back for Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade Module 6, Lesson 8. I am still this guy right here, helping you out on this one. Hey, thanks everyone that's been here. I appreciate it. I get comments, I get likes, I get new subscribers, so I know that everyone's out there, and I'm hoping this is helping. I'm thinking it's helping because people keep coming back, so we're going to go with this is helping. So I appreciate it. I'm glad you're here, and I hope this helps. All right. Let's look at page 49 today in our Module 6 book. It says, use the protractor to fill in the blanks. All right, let's see what we got. Fraction of 1, turn. So it's asking us how much, if we started here and we turned it, right? We started here at 0 and we turned it and we stopped right here. What part of the circle is this? How much is this, our little degree mark right here? How much of the circle is this covering? Well, that's covering 1/4. Now it wants to know fraction of one circle over 360 degrees. So all the way around is 360. So we start at 0, we go to this line and we stop. So look at the number right here, and that'll tell you. I know it's hard to see from where you're at. I can try. Oh, you can kind of see that. That line's going to away. So that stops right there. We have 80, 90, 100. So we're on 90. So that is 90 out of 360, right? The angle measure is 90 degrees, right? And then the angle type, what is that angle? What is this angle right here? Between there's a box there. This would be a right angle. All right, I'll help with one more, and then it's on you to figure out. I'm going to go with number 4. Because number 2 is similar to yesterday's homework, kind of. Number 3, yesterday's homework kind of helped. But number 4 is a little different. All right, let's look at number 4. It says angle measurement. Remember, we start here. We're going to go all the way around until we find our other line. So what line do we land on? Start here, look all the way around. Count by tens, going around, going around. What do we get to right here? Stop right there. I know it's kind of hard to see. You look on yours. This is angle measurement is 170 degrees. Okay, and now it says type of angle. Well, our right angle stopped right here. Our acute angle would be smaller. So this is, it's not all the way to a straight line yet. So this is obtuse. I know you guys are saying that at home. I know you guys got this. Okay. The other two, I want you to, let me adjust my camera. Apologies. I want you to figure out this one and this one. You guys can do that one on your own. I know you got this. All right, let's look at back at page 50. It says, draw an area model to represent the expression, and then multiply by recording the partial products in vertical form. So after we do the area model, they want you to go ahead and do the OPM. I'll put it over here. OPM, as I call it, old person math. It applies to me. No one can be offended by that, including myself. So our area model, right? We have 10 and 2. We have 10 and 4. So we have 10 times 10, answer here. 10 times 2, answer here. 4 times 10, answer here. 2 times 4, answer here. Right? 10 times 10 here. 10 times 2 here. 10 times 4 here. 2 times 4 here. Write all those numbers, and then you're going to add them up and see what you get over here. 2 ones times 4 ones. They want that here. Like 2 ones, 4 ones right here. All right, they want that on this line. Then they want 2 ones and 1 10. So they want this answer right here. Okay. You see how these are going? 1 10 and 4 ones. This answer here. And then 1 10 and 1 10. That answer here. And then you're going to add it up. All right. I set this up for you. All we got to do is multiply now, put the numbers in, then add up all the numbers you get in the boxes. That's what's helping you do here. All right. That one's on you guys to finish up. I'm going to get out of here. I have something I need to go do. Hopefully you do, and it's something fun. So that's it for me. Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 6, Lesson 8 with Mr. Short, pages 49 to 50. Go have a good night.